Just when. Good morning, Orlando. It's Carlos. Assessing the backyard. Seems like we slept like a baby. Everyone here, due to the thick plywood board up on the windows. And we didn't hear anything. We all slept very soundly. Here's the aftermath. It's approximately almost 11 o'clock in the morning. So it's just a little bit of wind. As you can see, this neighbor's tree, avocado, and it's just blowing in the wind every so often. And occasionally I hear a bump due to the aluminum down here. But these are plexiglass windows. They're stronger than the glass windows over here. So we're fortunate to have this lanai, as they call it. It's a backyard porch under roof, right? Yeah. So there's this pine tree that keeps swaying. I always love to see it. Let me see if I could zoom in way down, way out there. And it never breaks. It just sways and sways and sways. It's funny. It's kind of weird. It's the only surviving pine tree way out there in the woods. But neighbor's papaya plant only sustained just a little bit of damage. He did all he could to fortify it before the storm. So there it is. Every once in a while you get this big wind. And that's what I've been hearing. Just a pounding. Wind just knocking on the door. That's all it is. All right. Well, you guys take care. Hopefully everybody's safe. We never lost power that I could notice. So there you have it. Carlos out. Take care.